Today I'm going to show you how to save draft TikTok video without posting it. Now, you know how in the past you had to record a video, publish it, then save it, and that was the only way to do it. Now you can do something differently. So just press the plus button and record a video. It doesn't matter what it has to be. And then, as you can see, I already have the download button. If I click on the download button, I can just download it. It is saved to my album. If I were to click the check mark, that would pause the video, and I mean, you don't want to do that because then you would need to go here, save the video, etc. Like, no need. So because I have saved the video, if I go to my gallery, and you can see the video is saved. And that's pretty much it what you need to do. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, subscribe.